Okay, dahil nandito ang mommy and daddy, gagawa tayo ng army soup. Natutunan ko to sa Korean friend namin, so shout out to Brenda. Thank you for the recipe. We are using our Eureka induction. Thank you very much to Eureka for great quality appliances and products. And also, ang pamana ni Mommy Pimty na Salad Master. First, i-on muna natin ang induction. Okay. Then we get the olive oil.
That's olive oil.
It's all, can you see it?
Yeah. Olive oil. Ay!
Tignan mo, ang bilis maluto ng garlic. Hindi mo na yung
Mukhang hindi ko talaga yung
Sabi, careful ha.
That's right.
Wow.
Wow. Ano wow?
Actually, pagkatapos, lagay mo na to. Spam.
So, sabay-sabay na yan, Tim.
Yes, sabay-sabay. Wait, that is just for later. Ilagay na natin to. Yung Korean chili paste at saka Korean pepper powder.
Ito pa lang nilagay mo, no?
Hindi, depende kasi 10 people tayo. Yeah, just
Tata is coming
also. Oh, punta pa si Catherine.
Put this salt.
Wala ka pang ano dyan, sabay?
Can I put my sugar?
No, later.
Yay! Yay! Oh, look. Wow. What's that? Oh, wala pa dyan. Gusto mo kumain? That's hot. That's hot.
So usually ginagawa ko, I just get like 2 packets.
Oh, wow!
Dun sa ramen natin, Korean ramen. Hindi natin yung dadamihan. Kasi may chili na tayo. Here comes the sugar. But very, very minimal.
Konti lang. Bawal sa may mataas ang sugar. That's enough. Ito, bago.
Pagkulo niya, lagay mo na yung noodles. Tapos give it 2-3 minutes. And then, add the cheese and pork and beans.
Okay naman yung testing.
Lagayan ko na naman.
Para mas malaki yung paggagalaw ng mga tao.
Lalong sumarap, my gosh. Add the cheese. Okay, everyone, give me your plate or your bowl. Go!
Okay. Bring the bowl. Ganito kumakain.
Yan.
Huwag na muna akong
Nahuli ko
gawa
ba yung
ng
mga
ano.
ganyan?